Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies. So as you can see, we have just a base on right now because we're gonna try out some new makeup products together. And today we're gonna be trying out another celebrity line. As you guys know, I've tried out Fenty, I've tried out Kylie Jenner stuff, but today we're going to be trying out REM Beauty. I've also tried Rare by Selena Gomez. I haven't tried, I think it's called About Face, I think, from Halsey. I don't know if I'm saying the name wrong or if I'm confusing it with something else, but I haven't tried Halsey's makeup either, so let me know in the comments below if you guys think I should actually go and check it out. I know that came out like earlier this year, because I remember she was posting all the promo little makeup tutorials showing all the different items, and I love those, but I've never actually tried them out, so let me know if you guys have. But today we're going to be trying out Miss Ariana Grande's REM Beauty. I got about 6 or 7 makeup products to show you guys today. She didn't offer any like blushes or bronzers or foundations, powders and stuff like that, so I already went ahead and put on my foundation, some concealer under my eye, and a little bit of blush and bronzer. So I don't know if she intends on eventually dropping that stuff, probably, since this is just their first like actual drop. But let's go ahead and get into these products. I'm gonna let you guys know my honest opinion. This was not sent to me via PR. This is not sponsored by REM Beauty. So there was a little bit of controversy behind the actual REM Beauty brand. I've seen a lot of TikToks. Some people are claiming that REM Beauty is a knockoff of, I believe it was called Color Zone, which is a brand over in Asia. All these people started coming out accusing her of copying and knocking off another brand. Me being a big Ariana Grande fan, I still wanted to try the products out and let you guys know my honest opinion. You guys know I'm gonna tell you legit like what I think about all these products. I'm about to let y'all know if you should spend a bag or if you should keep it. 2 of these products I went ahead and tried yesterday. I tried her eyeshadow palette, and I also went ahead and put on top of that her liquid eyeshadow, because I just kind of wanted to see, like, does this last throughout the day? I made sure I primed my eyes, everything. The first product here is the Midnight Shadows eyeshadow palette in the color Baby Doll. These retail for $24. I believe there's 3 other palette options, or no, there's 2 other palette options. One of them's like a black smoky eye kind of tones. This one, Baby Doll, actually has a ton of neutral colors, and then there's an additional one that has neutrals, black, more like reddish brown tones. So I wanted to go with this one since this is kind of like, you know, how I do my makeup every day, and I wanted a new everyday makeup palette that I could just kind of stick in my bag. And the packaging, you know, gave me that vibe that it won't get destroyed or messed up. It's metal, and you know, it won't fold in there. I don't want to carry around one of my little like Huda Beauty palettes that just like flips open every 5 seconds and I get, you know, eyeshadow everywhere. So like I said, I went ahead and tried out these eyeshadows last night. So first impression on this, we'll go ahead and do a quick little makeup look with it. As you guys know, I'm not a professional makeup artist, and I've never claimed to be one. I am just an average consumer, just like you guys. So the first thing I will say about these colors in this palette is that it is super, super blendable. So right now I'm just taking the lightest shade, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyes, just as kind of like a base, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna take this color and I'm just gonna blend it in my crease. Now this color, if I'm gonna be honest, it's very, very close to my skin tone. So it's literally just a transition color, just a blending color, because it doesn't really show up, as you can see. So like I said, I will say that these eyeshadows are very blendable, so it's like easy to work with, especially if you have like not the lightest hand. What I will say is that they're not very pigmented compared to like a Morphe palette or even some other ColourPop palettes that I've actually tried. Like I said, this is $24 and you get 6 colors. From Morphe, for the same price, you get all of these, and these are a lot more pigmented. I don't know, I don't think that they really went hard with the formulas. Love you, girly, but no. No. I'm gonna have to give that a 5 out of 10 just because you can get a lot better for cheaper. The product that I actually tried out is their Midnight Shadows liquid eyeshadow. This is in the color Fembot, and these retail for $16, and they come in several different colors as well. I got this one just because it had like some nude, purple, blue, green, literally everything in there. This is advertised as waterproof, very easy to blend, and long wearing. Let me go ahead and debunk that real quick. 1, it is not easy at all to blend. I started blending it on my eye. Like, maybe if you put it on your eyelid by itself, sure, but if you want to use this on top of an eyeshadow, like most people are probably going to, just to add like some sparkle, if you try to blend it, it starts getting all chunky and gross. The formula just started blending with the eyeshadow really weird, and it's not like you have to let your eyeshadow dry before you put it on, and you can't say like, oh, let it dry and then blend it out. You can't, then it's stuck. Like, I love you, Ariana, and I don't want to like bash your makeup, but like, the quality's not there. Let's try to blend it out. It's gone. The product, it's not even on the brush. Where did it go? I'm gonna put a little bit more, and I'm gonna let it sit a little longer, and then I'm gonna try to blend it out, because as you can see, it all just disappeared. A little bit of time. See, I don't have to do this with my other liquid eyeshadows. It just... Girl. Like, for this to be $16, I know the Stila one is $24, but if you use websites like Beautylish and other little, like, you know, websites to find your products on, you can get it for like $14 or $15. I wanna know how many coats they had to put on for it to be that pigmented, because it's not doing that on my eye, and I don't... You know what? Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and put... I'm gonna put a thick-ass layer of this, okay? We're gonna put a thick-ass layer, and we're gonna try to make it pigmented. Okay? Maybe you have to use your finger. This stuff is so oily. I do not like that. This is a... Where's my eyeshadow go? Okay. I can hear the cries of girls around the world that bought this product, and they had, you know, they're about to go out, and now they have to start their entire makeup look all over again because this one product messed it up. Being that her products are probably, you know, targeted towards 14, 15, 16, 17, 18-year-olds, people that don't really have, you know, the most experience with makeup, you think that it would be easy to all use. Next up, we have the At the Borderline Kohl Eyeliner Pencil in So Mod. These retail for almost 20 bucks. They're $17, so let's apply it. Know that if you put white on your inner eye corner, it like opens up your eyes, and these days, being a mother, I look tired most of the time because I'm not sleeping right, so that's why I bought this. Do I look more awake? Do my eyes look big? I never put eyeliner up here, so I'm surprised I'm not like crying somehow. I mean, it works all right. I mean, it's just it's an eyeliner. I mean, for $20, I think I'll probably just stick with NYX. Next, I have the At the Borderline Eyeliner Marker in Midnight Black. Now this matters, Miss gowrl. This matters. You guys all know that my eyeliner is the key to my looks, okay? My eyeliner makes my entire makeup look. It saves my eyeshadow. It saves the rest of what's going on. One that I use every single day is the Roller Liner Eyeliner by Benefit, and I absolutely love it. And if I can't get my hands on this, I use, what is it called? But it's by Maybelline. Under $10, works amazing, lasts all day, have no issues with it. Okay. This other eye is like messed up. Let's just put some eyeliner on. Why not? Actually, let's not. Because we're gonna try some mascara, and I wanna see what it actually looks like without like eyeliner making it look thicker. I'm not gonna say how I feel about this just yet. I'm gonna answer that at the end of the video. Now we're gonna go ahead and try out the Flourishing Lengthening Mascara. This doesn't claim to be waterproof or anything, but it does say it will weightlessly lift your lashes, volumize, and it doesn't flake. Something I also noticed about her products, they're made in different countries. I didn't know brands did that. I thought they usually would just like source from one place, but like her palettes are made in the United States, but then it says that her highlighter was made in Italy. Here's how the wand looks. Keep in mind, like, I don't have short lashes. I would say I have like medium-ish lashes. Some people tell me I have long lashes, because when I put on a good mascara, they are long. And then I'm gonna put one coat over here. I love how I have that random line. Okay, Keep in mind, this is running out. Just hold on. You literally see it like building and like fixing it. This is 20 bucks. This is like 25. I think I'd rather spend an extra $5. Sis, if you're really on a budget and you want a bomb mascara that works like this, Lash Sensational. Like, I'm gonna douse this in it, okay? Like, I'm getting the top of the lash, the bottom. It just doesn't compare. And last but not least, the one product that I think a lot of people are probably waiting to see if it actually works is the Interstellar Highlighter Topper. So it says highlighter topper. That better not mean that it's not that pigmented because I'm supposed to put it on top of my other highlight. Like, no. It better work on its own, okay? Get a next level highlight with this weightless multi-dimensional topper. Why does this one feel cheap compared to this? Like, this is like heavy and feels nice. I know it's bigger, but like just the way it feels nice, and this just feels like, what? Swipe first with my finger so I can kind of swatch it a little bit. Alright, no, but don't do this to me, Ari. You just disappeared. No, we're gonna try it with the brush and put it on, okay? Because maybe it just... Let's build it up. Let's build it up. And we're gonna compare that to a Kylie Jenner product. Arianators, relax. I already see y'all tightening and clenching up your assholes. Do not compare Ariana Grande to Kylie Jenner. Still, we're comparing the products. Kylie Jenner, and put that on. That's layer 1. We're gonna Ariana. Kylie. Really getting sweaty, so I already see the comment section being filled with like hate. A bunch of like Ariana Grande fans being, you know what, focus on your fucking armpits, bitch. The highlighter ain't even giving. I am so disappointed. I spent like $100 on all this. Well, no, I spent like 80 bucks. Like, I'm just disappointed. Like, it's Ariana Grande. Like, I hate when celebrities have so much fucking money and they put shit out that's just not up to par with their brand. Like, Ariana, you can't be stepping out of the Chanel store once a week with a new bag and be that bitch, but your brand is not giving that energy. Like, this is giving me like ColourPop when they first dropped before they fixed everything. Like, now I'm thinking that Morphe took all of their fails and just slapped Ariana's name on it and found some like quick packaging, so they didn't even take the time to like investigate that another brand was using this. So let me know your guys' opinion. I wasn't trying to be harsh at all. I'm a very fair person, and especially since I really fuck with Ariana since freaking Victoria's days. So I had to support her with this, but I don't think I'm gonna buy any more makeup from her until I see some sort of like up in the quality or something changes. So bad because I didn't like it, but I'm still gonna post the video. We all have our own opinions as well, so I'm sure there's gonna be some girls that are gonna comment or they're gonna think like, I thought it was amazing, but like me being almost 26 years old and have been wearing makeup since I was like 13, 14 and have tried literally almost every brand that's existed that's accessible to the average consumer. Obviously, I'm not talking about those $200, $300 makeup palettes that makeup artists use. I'm really not happy with what I purchased. Now, if the prices were half of what they're selling it for, like if the eyeliner was like $12, the palettes were like 12 to 15, then I'd be like, okay. But they're trying to market it as an almost $30 palette for 6 colors that are not the best. But that's it for today's video. I hope this, you know, maybe opened up your eyes, saved you some money, or made you go and spend some money. Of all these products, so far, I just like the eyeliner. Let's go ahead and... Oh! So the eyeliner is probably the only product I would possibly repurchase. So what you guys think in the comments below. Have you tried out this line? Is there any other celebrity product lines that you want me to try out? It's all love, Ari. Looking forward to another album, but probably not gonna buy any more of your makeup. That's it for today's video, and I will see you guys all in my next one.